suspensions. This is a very generic physical, a very fundamental physical phenomenon which was discovered in our group more than 10 years ago, and it has significant or striking benefits when you want to formulate highly conductive, electrically conductive materials at a low filler content. Let me briefly explain you what capillary suspensions are. They are ternary fluid-solid systems. Usually particles can be suspended in the liquid or in the polymer. When you talk about a polymer composite, and such a binary system may have low viscosity at low filler content. And then you add trace amounts of a secondary fluid. In this case, here in this example, you see how a suspension of calcium carbonate in an organic solvent transitions from a milk-like texture to a cheese or cream-like texture just by adding trace amounts of a secondary fluid, which is water in this case. And if you look at the microstructure, you see the secondary fluid, which is not miscible with the main fluid, sticks to the particles and induces the formation of a particle network. This has a dramatic effect on the texture, as you have seen here in these images, but this applies to all kinds of suspensions of solid particles in two immiscible liquids, and it also works for ECAs, for instance. Here you see when you reduce the filler content, the silver content in an ECA to 48%, you will have a freely flowing, nicely flowing resin system. But if you add a trace amount of a secondary fluid, you change the texture completely.